It's very well known across the globe that people living in the Far East nations live the longest, most prosperous lives. But why is this the case? Japan regularly ranks at the top for longest and healthiest lifespans. In fact, Japanese women had the highest life expectancies in the world, pushing 90 years. While genetics clearly play a role in longevity, it's their lifestyle, which ranges from diet to exercise and leisure activities, that are the keys to their long and healthy life. Diet rich in fish and seaweed. A staple of Japanese cuisine, they consumed over 122 pounds per capita last year, which is more than double that of those in the United States. Their vast consumption of fish puts them near the top 5 across the world. The benefits of eating fish has been shown to lower risk of heart disease by more than a third, and those with higher levels of fatty acids found in fish live more than 2 years longer, on average. Best results are obtained when eating 2 servings per week of fish, such as salmon or any other type of fatty fish. Also coming from the water that is highly nutritious is seaweed. Japan consumes an astronomical 100,000 tons per year, consisting of more than 20 types. The food is extremely healthy, with an average of nearly 5 grams of protein per cup. It's also been shown to regulate levels of estrogen, lowering the rate of breast cancer. The one thing to remember is to limit consumption to about 2 tablespoons every week to avoid any adverse side effects. Tea time. Tea time ceremony is certainly a ritual in Japan to help ease the mind, taking one to a faraway place that is away from the stress of life. Not only is tea consumed during the rituals, but it has become a part of everyday life for many. Japan is one of the top 10 tea-drinking countries in the world, most of which is green tea. Green tea has some amazing health benefits, including increasing brain function, lower cancer rates and heart disease, and lower mortality rates. A study showed that Japanese people that consumed an average of 5 cups per day had more than 25% lower rate of death. Exercise. It's widely known that regular exercise has numerous health benefits, but people seem to not be able to make themselves get enough. Studies have shown that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days will show health benefits. The Japanese get started at a young age when it comes to regular exercise. Nearly all children ride a bike or walk to school, meaning they are getting more than the minimum amount of exercise daily for health benefits, excluding any recreational activities. Many adults continue this trend and bike to work instead of driving, and also take brisk walks regularly, increasing overall fitness. Japan has gone green. Many people have the false impression that Japan is just a crowded nation consisting of all cities, but really there are significant portions that are rainforests. Natives take advantage of the beautiful nature in the country. Japanese people as old as 80 years old regularly mountain climb, one setting a record. But even those that don't engage in the vigorous activity, many Japanese people spend a lot of time in nature, which has added health benefits. It's known that vitamin D is crucial for the body's immune system, and just 20 minutes in the sunshine daily is enough vitamin D a person needs. Cognitive function can improve by as much as 20% just by spending time in the great outdoors, which the Japanese do on a consistent basis. Take time to sing and laugh. An amazing aspect of Japanese culture that many fail to realize is that most enjoy singing. So much so, in fact, that the karaoke industry took in nearly 4 times as much as the film industry in 2010. While it's fun to participate in karaoke, it's actually very good for the body. A study indicated singers use deep breathing more than others, which is healthy for the nervous system, decreasing the stress of everyday life. Coming with the fun of singing karaoke is having a good laugh afterwards. The old saying that laughter is the best medicine has some merit to it. Laughing releases endorphins in the body, which helps reduce pain and improves immune function. Those that live outside of Japan would be wise to incorporate some, if not all, of the everyday life practices of the Japanese. They clearly have some formula for longevity. Most are fundamental and easy to follow, such as diet, exercise, time outdoors, fun, and laughter. Basic yet effective, we should all give it a try to promote better health. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.